Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook spicy shrimp. Get ready to elevate your culinary skills with a dish that's bursting with flavor and a delightful kick. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to prepare perfectly seasoned, succulent shrimp. It's a fantastic option for a speedy dinner or a crowd-pleasing starter, and I promise it's easier than you think. Let's dive in and create something truly delicious together. To begin our spicy shrimp adventure, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, ideally peeled and deveined for convenience. For that signature spicy kick, we'll combine chili powder, a pinch of cayenne pepper for extra heat, and some smoked paprika for depth. Don't forget minced garlic and finely diced onion to build a robust flavor base, plus a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten everything up. A good quality olive oil or a knob of butter will be perfect for sautéing. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Start by heating a large skillet over medium-high heat, adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter. Once shimmering, add your minced garlic and diced onion, cooking for about 1 minute until they become fragrant. Next, toss your prepared shrimp with the spice blend we discussed earlier, ensuring they are evenly coated. Add the seasoned shrimp to the hot pan in a single layer. Cook for just 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they turn a beautiful pink and are opaque throughout. Be careful not to overcook them. Your delicious spicy shrimp is now ready to be enjoyed. To finish, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro or parsley, and a final squeeze of fresh lime juice for that extra zing. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides. Try serving it over fluffy rice, tossed with your favorite pasta, or simply alongside some warm, crusty bread to soak up all those amazing juices. Remember, the key to tender shrimp is not to overcook them. Enjoy your flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.